Guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to tell you the ads to use for your plumbing business. So let's get into it. So I am on Ads Manager Library right now, and you can also go to this website. What you want to do is you want to look at the ads that other people are running and then see what you could run for your business, and then also see what you can do better than they're doing. Okay. So if we just go to the very top here, I search plumbers. And what you want to do is you want to look at all the different types of videos and images and see which ones are, pop out the most to you. Okay. So I kind of know what kind of types of ads I like to run. For me personally, the ones that are videos I don't like to do. Okay. I'm just going to say that. And then the picture ads, I do like those because it's a real simple and easy to put up. So the before and after one right here, that's a great one to do for yourself. This is HVAC, but still a good one to do before and after pictures. This one looks pretty good to do. I wouldn't. This is a hiring ad, but still that would be good if it wasn't for hiring. If we just keep going here, I want to show you guys which ones to use for your business specifically. So you would say use one like this. Don't use stock pictures like that. I would not recommend that. Just saying. Now, if we keep going here, I'm looking for a picture where they're, clearly diagnosing it. So one like this or one like this, those are definitely ones that you guys can try because they're obviously a plumber. They look like a plumber. They're doing plumbing type activities in the pictures. You want to take a picture like that. Another great thing, you see how they have the customer in the picture right here? That's also another good thing to do, but I wouldn't just have I would actually have smile with the customer and look at the camera, do a little thumbs up and see, you can try that one out as well. Before and after pictures also work great. These ads, these are, I'm not sure what they're doing here. They're doing traffic ads. These aren't really, I don't think they're messenger ads because I don't see any text and I don't see any call to action to send a message. So I like to send messaging ads for my Facebook ads. So I always set up a messaging ad kind of like this where it says send a message because you want people to message you. So do those same pictures where it's, you're in the moment, everything's in the picture. You can obviously tell it's a plumbing picture, something like that. Or even better is when the customer's in the image and they're smiling or something like that. That's even better. And then you also want to, what's the word? You want to do a messenger campaign, okay? And then you would get their phone number from the messenger and then call them on the phone and then you would close that lead, okay? So if we keep going here, that's basically how you do it. Um, you just need to take a picture of you in the moment and then set up a messaging campaign and then test 5 different pictures and see if they work or not. So that's what I would do for your business. And then also if you can get a good before and after picture, you can even find one on Google or something like this where it looks really bad like that and then show it real clean in the next picture. So have 2 pictures side by side where one's dirty and one's really clean. If you guys can make a picture like that, put it up there, do a messaging campaign, you guys are going to kill Facebook advertising. Okay. So I think I'm going to end the video on that. And hopefully you guys got a lot of knowledge from this video. And also my course is down below if you want to learn more marketing strategies like this one. And I will catch you guys on the next video. So see you guys.